What's up, Hodl gang? Today we're going to learn how to steal Bitcoin's logo using Adobe Illustrator and the internet. I thought this was a relevant video because the block halving reward is coming up. So you can steal the Bitcoin logo and put it on coffee mugs or mouse pads or track pads or iPads or whatever Bitcoin people like. So yeah, just look up Bitcoin logo. I'm using DuckDuckGo and the Brave browser, which is pretty crypto friendly. And yeah, this promotional graphics wiki is what we're looking for. What I want to see is this logo alone, and go to SVG and higher resolutions. What we want is an SVG, which is a scalable vector graphic. So this is what we want to see. Go to clone or download and get the zip. That's going to get all these files in a zip for you. And once you go to your downloads, just double click that zip to unzip it. You'll see a new folder open up. And yeah, this is what we want. We don't want the one with the shadow. Let's just get the Bitcoin logo SVG. Again, that's a scalable vector graphic. Just control click that and open it in Illustrator. And that's pretty much it. You have both the circle and the B. They're their own separate elements. So if you just hit Command Shift G to ungroup them, you can see that yeah, they can come apart like that. And yeah, you can highlight both of them and yeah, make just a cutout like that if you wanted to. So you just can have a single color that you can print on t-shirts. And yeah, like if you were starting your own cryptocurrency company like Bitcoin Cash or something, all they did is they turned the graphic just like that, and they literally copied the Bitcoin code, and yeah, now they're like the number 5 cryptocurrency. So if you wanted to start your own company, you could kind of do that too. It's just that easy. Something else that you can play with, just like the colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a swatch library, and let's just do something basic. Let's just go to gradients and then metals. And yeah, you can see, yeah, you can just do different colors like that, and make your own just Bitcoin clone, call it bet coin, but yeah, there's already a butt coin. There's already a tit coin, there's already a shit coin, so you got to be a little bit more creative. But yeah, you can get just more creative just with the colors too. You can go to patterns. I think these are fun. You can go to the nature and animal skins, and yeah, you can change it to kind of just different ones. That gator skin's pretty tight. That looks nice. Jaguar is, I think, more me. I think this speaks to me a little bit. And yeah, say you wanted to make the actual pattern appear larger or smaller. The way you do that is just highlight your object and hit S, or go here to the scale tool and just double click. And what you want to do is you want to uncheck transform objects. So just have transform patterns, and then yeah, making sure that it's previewed as well. You can just play with the scale of it and get just the kind of visual look that you want. And yeah, that's about it. If you wanted to change this around, to kind of bring it out a little bit, that's up to you. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it white for now because I'm not making Cheetah Coin today. But yeah, if you wanted to put this again on any sort of products, or yeah, Bitcoin's it's a public domain logo, so it's not even illegal to put it on other stuff and sell it. So yeah, do that. Make your own merchandise. Go make some money while people are going crazy about the halving and shit. Hope you enjoyed this video. Show me stuff that you make. Thanks. Bye.